Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just here to show you this pre-owned 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee that we have here on the lot. Just going to take a quick walk around the unit today just to show you some of the features and options that this Grand Cherokee has to offer. Now this Grand Cherokee is also your L model, so that does mean you get that third row inside, giving you that extra passenger space. It is also equipped with a great blend of features. You do have your park sensors, you can see your sensors across that back bumper, backup camera also equipped back there. Checking out the cargo space in the back here. So even with that third seat up, you can see plenty of room back there to store your gear bags out of the way while on the go. You do have your cargo mat liner as well equipped back there. That third row also does fold down when not needed to give you a little bit more space. Again, just your power lift gate option. Now the Grand Cherokee also gives you great 4x4 capabilities, so you get that extra capability and handling on even some of those tougher road conditions. Taking a peek inside, so second row, you do have your second row bucket seats, as you can see there, so you can get two in that second row, two in that third row as well, and you can easily access that third row. You do have Husky floor liners equipped both in the front and second row. Climate controls in that back seat. USB port hookups as well. Power sunroof up top. Taking a peek up front. So you do have your touchscreen display area, very user-friendly interface with that Uconnect system equipped in here. So access, of course, all of your audio media controls, climate control options. So you do have your heated front seats, heated steering wheel, Bluetooth capabilities, and access to all of your apps and settings in through there as well. Just below that, again, access to your basic climate control options, audio media controls, USB port hookups, wireless charger, a little bit of storage space in throughout that center console area, key fob for the Jeep right here. Remote start is equipped, push button start. Steering wheel mounted controls, so you do have your cruise control options, adaptive cruise control, Bluetooth Uconnect capabilities, audio media controls built in behind the steering wheel. All of your power windows, locks, side mirrors, and as you can see towards the center bottom of the screen, this Jeep does have 59,308 kilometers currently on it. So that's just a quick peek at this pre-owned 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. If you have additional questions, please feel free to give the team a call at 780-826-2999.